Hello, my friends. Recently, we redid our feature wall in our playroom. You can see there's a little bit of board and batten, different paint color, but the highlight is the sconce. These sconces we got from Amazon. Now, I am not an electrician, nor did I have any interest in spending a lot of money in hiring an electrician. So how did we get these sconces on here if you can't see a cord anywhere? That's because they are directly mounted to the wall, and these lights are rechargeable. You plug them in. Now, I will admit, they're not the most functional if you want to have them to light your room all the time, but they do work, and I'll show you how. When you buy them, it comes with these remotes. I only need one, and all you got to do is press the on. Boom. As you can see, there are different colors, and you can change these colors. You got white. Yes, I was pressing the wrong button. This middle button allows you to select the color. If you pick a button to the side, it'll change to more of like a yellow color. There's also a white bright color, but you can change to different colors as well. If you press the M1 button, it goes to red, blue, green, purple, light blue, and yellow. Pretty cool. All sorts of different colors there. How do the light bulbs themselves work? Well, you just unscrew it from the top here like so, and out comes this light bulb. This button turns it on, allows it to be used. And yes, this is important for me, USB Type-C charging. It's a charging cord that I use for all my devices, my phone, etc. You can use it for this light bulb. This part right here is really pointless. It's just for looks. It's so you can mount it into the actual light bulb holster. But you stick it in here, and voila, you can light it. Now, I will admit that these lights are mostly for decoration, but when it's dark at night, it's pretty cool. I actually will watch some football games, and you know, if your team has green colors, you can turn on the green lights. So that's a pretty sweet mood. But at the end of the day, these lights are here to class up the wall, to make it look good. It was really the finishing touches to complete the room, in my opinion. And you can get it on Amazon, link below in the description. It is an affiliate link. I believe these are, I mean, you're getting them for less than $100. And that right there is a steal of a deal for the high quality sconce lights. Thanks for watching. Bye.